Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send iMessage instead of text message on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to send iMessage instead of text message on messages on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. And after this, go back, and now you have to simply go to apps and then scroll it below and go to messages from here, and then you have to simply scroll it below and turn on the toggle for iMessage if it is off. So guys, simply turn it on, and after this you will be able to send all of your messages as iMessage on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.